for the example, okay, para mas maintindihan nyo ako. Okay, so, dito, meron tayong, di ba, last time I discussed the two statements, single statement and uh, multi-step income statement. Okay, so let's proceed muna with the single statement. Okay, so, sa single step income statement, uh, particularly most of the companies that you are using this type of statement is service business. Okay, so makikita nyo dito service revenue. So, gawin natin na. So, i-summarize na rin natin, nagawa na rin tayo ng notes to financial statement for you to better understand ba kung ano ba talaga yung notes to financial statements. So, dito, so for the note 1, start natin with the okay. Okay, so dito sa income, lagay natin yung mga income. Okay? So dito, service revenue, 454. And for the other income, pansin nyo, sige, ganito, classify muna natin yung mga to. So, ito, service revenue. So, para mas mabilis nyo maintindihan, okay? So, ito yung mga classifications niyan. Kasi ang gagawin natin, di ba, parang dito, isa na lang yung presentation, then yung mga breakdown nila, lalagay na lang natin sa notes. So, para mas concise, mas malinaw yung itsura ng ating income statement or statement of comprehensive income. Ito, rent income. For this particular example kasi, consider natin other income kasi, let's say, meron ng service revenue, meaning, itong rent income, hindi talaga yan related sa operations nila. Kaya, tinawag natin other income. Same way with this. And, this one as well. Okay, so, ito yung composition of our other income, sorry. Then, interest income, this one, other income din yan. Depreciation expense, syempre, depreciation. Loss on sale of furniture, other expense. Meaning, ito yung mga expenses na hindi naman related sa operations. Interest expense, lagay na lang natin yan as finance cost. Ito yung pinaliwanag ko kanina, diba? Finance cost. Then, depreciation. And, finance cost. Okay? So, ngayon, lagyan na natin yan sa ating notes to financial statement. Okay, so, ito yung notes to financial statements natin. Meaning, ito yung mga breakdown ng mga other explanatory information natin. Okay, so, papansin nyo dito, sa ating presentation dito. Okay, so, this is the statement of comprehensive income. So, dito, service revenue, ito yung 454. And then, sa other income, pansin nyo, may nakalagay dito 1. So, meaning, sa notes to financial statement natin, note 1 yan, which is ito. Okay? So, nilagay lang natin siya dito. Para ang ginawa lang natin, instead of breaking it down here, nilagay na natin sa notes to financial statements. Okay? Diba mas malinis tignan ng ating income statement? So, then yan. So, this would be your total income. Then, for the expenses, same way, yung depreciation expense pinag-isa na natin, meaning it is by nature of expense method. So, notes to siya. Ito yan. Okay, so this is the breakdown of our depreciation. Bakit ganon? So, this one. Then, finance costs. This one as well. Then, other expense. Ayan. Okay? So, pansin nyo, itong mga yan, ito nasa note 2, ito nasa note 3, and ito nasa note 4. Okay? Then, income less expenses, this would be your profit or loss for the period. Ito yung kanina sa state sheet number 3 natin. Ito yan. Okay? Then, add or less mo yung other comprehensive income. For this problem, walang other comprehensive income, kaya nakalagay dyan 0. Then, you will arrive with the total comprehensive income. Okay? Kuha ba? So, in summary, this would be your statement of comprehensive income. Okay? So, ayan. So, let's proceed naman kapag multi-step. Okay? By the way, yung etong second example natin, this is for the accounting for merchandising business. So, just a quick overview lang ulit kasi 'di ba di-discuss pa lang naman natin siya. But this is an example para mas makita nyo yung multi-step. Okay? So, mostly kasi nang gumagamit ng multi-step income statement, which is the most commonly used income statement, ay kapag ang business is merchandising business. So, this one of the example. So, this the given again. We have sales income, sales return, and allowances. Then, ito yung mga other comprehensive income natin kanina. So, classify ulit natin, no? So, ito, maging composition yan ng net sales. Ito, net sales din. May intindihan nyo ako yung sales return and allowances kapag nasa discussion na tayo ng merchandising business. But, as an overview, lalagay natin yan dito. And ito, other income. And ito, other income as well. Other income, other income. This would be part of cost of sales. Ito din, and ito din. Okay? Ito, depreciation expense related to transportation. It is involved in the selling and distribution. So, ilalagay natin as OPEC. Then, selling and distribution. Okay? Then, ito, loss on sale of furniture. This is other expense. Then, ito, salaries for the sales supervisor. OPEX din siya, but related to sales, selling, and distribution. Then, this one, depreciation expense for the building. Part din siya ng operating expense natin, but this one is general and administrative na siya. Meaning, kapag general and administrative, these are expenses na kailangan natin para ma-manage, ma-operate yung business. Then, salaries for the manager, yung nagma-manage ng business. So, OPEX din siya, but general and administrative. Excuse me. Okay? So, ngayon, i-present na natin siya sa notes of financial statement para mas mabilis natin magawa income statement. So, ito yung mga breakdown ng ating notes to financial statement related to income statement. Let's say, this one, for the net sales, ang ibig sabihin ng net sales, ayan yung sales income, that's mo yung sales return and allowances, saka sales discount. So, ayan, kaya nag-come up tayo with the total net sales na 600,000. This is this one, okay? Ito yan. Then, other income, ito yung composition kanina. For the cost of sales, ang computation natin ng cost of sale is beginning inventory plus purchases, then less mo yung ending inventory. So, dito, ang amount ng ng cost of sales natin is 146. Okay? Then, selling and distribution, ito yung kanina. So, ayan. So, pag breakdown natin, ang total niyan is 13,000. General administrative naman, total niya 15,000. Then, lastly, other expense, 4,000. Okay, so ngayon, since we already have the breakdown, let's proceed now with the notes of financial statement. With the statement of comprehensive income. So, ito ngayon sa note 1, ang mapapansin nyo sa multi-step income statement, hindi na siya straightforward. May mga categories na. So, most likely, nagkaroon na tayo ng cost of sales, which is the major difference between the single step and the multi-step. Okay, so dito, cost of sales, ito yan. Okay, so, net sales less cost of sale, you arrive with the gross profit. Then, less natin yung mga operating expenses natin. So, again, instead of breaking down all the expenses, nagkaroon tayo ng category by function. Okay, so, ayan. Selling and distribution expense, note 4. And general and administrative expenses, note 5. So, in total, operating expenses natin, 28,000. So, gross profit less operating expenses, you'll arrive with the net profit from operation. So, check nyo dito, since we are using the multiple step, nagkaroon na tayo dito ng net profit from operations, meaning these are the net income na nakuha natin from operating the business. So, meron din tayong mga non-operating income and expenses na nagkaroon na-incur natin or na-gain natin while we are in the business. Okay? So, ito yung mga income or expense na walang kinalaman mismo sa operations, but they arise as income or expense. So, meron tayong other income and other expense. Other income, ito yan. Okay? Then, other expense, ito. Okay? So, total non-operating income and expense natin, 57,000. Karagdagan. So, meron tayong total net profit na 483,000. So, ngayon, since wala na namang other comprehensive income, isi-zero lang natin siya. So, total comprehensive income natin is 483,000. Okay? Nakuha ba ako, guys? So, this would be the format of our statement of comprehensive income. So, pansin nyo pala dito, sa format natin, okay, so, papansinin nyo sa format, lagi ako may peso sign sa bungad ng bawat lines. So, like this one, nandyan yung peso sign. So, eto since single column siya, so eto, yung peso sign dito represent hanggang dulo. Eto dito din. Eto since may kasi may boundary ng line, so naglagay ulit tayo ng peso sign. Okay? So, every time na may boundary dito sa line, lagay tayong peso sign. But kapag wala ng boundary line, yung isang peso sign can represent the all columns na. Okay? So, that would be the format. So, pansin nyo dito sa statement of comprehensive income, most likely, 2 columns lang yung mga cover natin for the amounts. Okay? Same way with here. Sorry, this one.